Course on Computer Concepts is a basic tutorial on computer literacy. This tutorial enables the learner to use computer for basic things like sending and receiving emails, browsing internet, preparing databases, making presentations, etc. This course also helps to prepare candidates for NILET's CCC examination. To be able to follow this tutorial, you do not need any prior knowledge on computers. It is a basic course which starts from the fundamentals. One having basic knowledge and understanding of English language can easily complete this tutorial. It is important not only to know how to use a computer, but also to understand the components of a computer and what they do. A computer is an electronic device that accepts data from the user, processes it, produces results, displays them to the users, and stores the results for future usage. Data is a collection of unorganized facts and figures and does not provide any further information regarding patterns, context, etc. Hence, data means unstructured facts and figures. Information is a structured data, i.e., organized, meaningful, and processed data. To process the data and convert into information, a computer is used. A computer performs the following functions: receiving input. Data is fed into computer through various input devices like keyboard, mouse, digital pens, etc. Input can also be fed through devices like CD-ROM, pen drive, scanner, etc. Processing the information. Operations on the input data are carried out based on the instructions provided in the programs. Storing the information. After processing, the information gets stored in the primary or secondary storage area. Producing output. The processed information and other details are communicated to the outside world through output devices like monitor, printer, etc.
If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel Sarah Blissful.